Hey there, fellow seekers of positive vibes and endless energy. Today, I've got something truly mind-blowing to share with you that will recharge your spirit, rejuvenate your body, and give you a boost of pure, unadulterated vitality. We're diving headfirst into the incredible world of holistic healing therapies. But before we get started, did you know that approximately 60% of adults worldwide struggle with low energy levels and fatigue on a daily basis? It's a staggering statistic that highlights the need for effective and sustainable solutions. And that's where holistic healing comes in. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is holistic healing? Well, my friends, it's an approach that treats the whole person, mind, body, and spirit, rather than just addressing specific symptoms. By taking into account the interconnectedness of all aspects of our being, holistic healing therapies provide comprehensive and long-lasting results. Here's a mind-blowing fact for you. Did you know that acupuncture, one of the most popular holistic healing therapies, has been practiced for over 3,000 years? That's right. This ancient Chinese technique involves the insertion of ultra-thin needles into specific points on the body to restore the flow of vital energy, known as qi, pronounced qi. And get this, studies have shown that acupuncture can increase energy levels by a whopping 36%. But wait, there's more. Ever heard of Reiki? It's a Japanese energy healing practice that promotes relaxation and stress reduction. Research has shown that Reiki sessions can significantly improve energy levels, with participants reporting a staggering 70% increase in vitality after just one session. Talk about an instant energy boost, and hold on to your seats, because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of crystal healing. Did you know that certain crystals, like amethyst and citron, are believed to have powerful energizing properties? These magical stones are thought to absorb negative energy and restore balance, leaving you feeling like an unstoppable force of nature. Get ready to unlock your limitless energy reserves as we explore even more incredible holistic healing therapies in the second half of this video. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single second of this enlightening journey. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll uncover more astonishing facts and reveal the secrets to harnessing the true power of holistic healing therapies. Remember, the universe is brimming with energy, and it's time for you to tap into it. Catch you on the flip side, my energized warriors. Are you ready to take your energy levels to new heights? We've only scratched the surface of the incredible world of holistic healing therapies, and there's so much more to explore. So grab a cup of herbal tea, get cozy, and let's dive right back in. Now let's talk about sound therapy, a fascinating technique that utilizes the power of sound vibrations to restore balance and revitalize your energy. Sound therapy has been practiced for centuries and is known to activate the body's natural healing mechanisms. Did you know that Tibetan singing bowls, when played, produce a harmonious blend of frequencies that can stimulate energy flow and promote deep relaxation? It's like a sound massage for your soul. And hold on to your seats, because we're about to explore the ancient art of Tai Chi. Originating in China, Tai Chi is a graceful form of movement that combines meditation, deep breathing, and flowing motions. This mind-body practice not only increases energy levels, but also improves balance, flexibility, and overall well-being. Studies have shown that regular Tai Chi practice can result in a significant 15% boost in energy levels. But what about aromatherapy? The power of scents. Essential oils derived from plants have been used for centuries to enhance energy and uplift the spirit. Did you know that peppermint oil has been shown to increase alertness and mental clarity? And citrus oils like lemon and orange can give you an instant energy pick-me-up. Harnessing the power of these aromatic wonders can truly transform your energy levels. Before we wrap up this video, I want to leave you with a little teaser for what's coming up in the next part. We'll be diving into the mesmerizing world of energy healing modalities, such as Reiki, quantum touch, and pranic healing. Trust me when I say, the next video is going to be the most captivating one yet, packed with mind-blowing techniques and real-life stories of transformation. So stay tuned, my energy enthusiasts. In the next video, we'll explore the depths of energy healing like never before. Get ready to witness the incredible power of these modalities and discover how they can supercharge your life. Until then, remember to stay open, stay curious, and keep those energy levels soaring. If you can't wait to uncover the secrets of energy healing, click on the link to watch part 2 right now. You won't want to miss it.